Hey guys, welcome back to Sarah SB. My name is Sarah, and today I would like to share with you how you can make 100 to 120,000 or 200,000 or 150,000 big numbers, one paycheck. Yes, you heard me, just one paycheck. And how do we do it? Before I get started, this is not clickbait. Make sure to watch to the end. I will give you all the details and all the steps on how you can achieve this goal. I always saw people driving fancy cars, homes, and everything. And I'm like, how do these people afford all this? I had an 8 to 5 job, and I was like, my paycheck can never afford all this. Come to find out that there's some ways that you can actually make a huge paycheck with just one paycheck and enjoy your life and do your vacations and just afford what you can afford. And again, like I said, this is not clickbait. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So what am I talking about? What I'm talking about is real estate. All you have to do in order to get this started is get your real estate license. Okay, so let me go back a little bit. When I got my real estate license, it was just to sell residential properties. I was just getting into the whole residential properties, excited to sell residential properties. And I got into real estate. I got my license and I started working under a broker because when you get your license, you get to work under a broker. So I started working under a broker and I sold one property. I got about $5,000. Not bad, right? Sold another property, got about $3,000. Not bad. And I was still trying to sell my properties and it was getting so hard to sell properties. But why is that? And that's because sometimes when you get a buyer seller, they just stay around with you and never purchase a property. And in real estate, you cannot get paid until you actually sell something. So they were just giving me a run for my money and I really got tired. And I was like, how am I going to make money if I just keep driving these people around? And at the end of the day, they don't purchase any property from me. And then what did I start doing? I started researching into commercial real estate. And in that process, I found out that the higher amount property you sell, the more your commission. For example, if you sell a $4 million hotel, okay, and you get a 3% commission, that is $120,000 check. Bam, right there and there. No questions asked, as long as you have it in a contract, agreed in the contract. Do you need to get another kind of license for business real estate? No, you don't. When I was doing my residential real estate, I was working under a residential broker. All she did was residential properties. And then when I decided to go into the business real estate, selling businesses, I really didn't do anything. All I did was take a couple of classes and I started doing my own research. I did a lot of research, found out a lot of things. For example, for the business real estate, I didn't have to do much in the way of contract and all because attorneys are involved and they do most of the work. Okay. They do most of the paperwork. So the paperwork was lesser for me and the cash at the end was more. So it was a no-brainer. Could you please take a moment and give this video a thumbs up? It does really help our YouTube analytics. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So with the business real estate, you do not have to actually do a different course to get a business real estate license. No, once you're a realtor, you're a realtor. You can either do residential or you can do business. And my broker, even though she was residential broker, did not mind me selling businesses. Why is that? That's because her cut was more. And just in case you don't know, as soon as you get into real estate, you have to work under a broker. So whatever commission you get, you split it with a broker. Now, the broker I worked for took only 10% while I kept 90%. Okay. So when I sold residential real estate and I made $5,000, she would take 10% and I would keep 90%. And the same way when I sold hotels or other big businesses where I made over $100,000, she would take 10% and I would remain with 90%. So do the math. 10% of 100 or 120,000 or 150,000. That's a big check for my broker. She did not mind at all. So I did the commercial real estate and she was getting her cut, which was way bigger than any of the other residential realtors were, bringing to her. So guys, to summarize this all, how can you make a big paycheck, one paycheck over $100,000 is to get into commercial real estate, sell a big property, get a good commission from it, in just one paycheck. Because when they write you your commission, it's one paycheck. One paycheck could be over up to and over $100,000. If you would like me to touch more on this subject of commercial real estate, I'll be more than glad to do that. Please give this video likes to make sure that, for me to make sure that you enjoy the video so I can make more videos like this. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. I'll be more than glad to help you. And one more thing, there's not a lot of women in the commercial real estate. There are way more men than women. And I always wondered why. And that's because everybody feels like it's a lot of work. Whereas we don't even do that much work as in residential, because residential, you complete the forms yourself. You do most of the things yourself. Whereas commercials, there are attorneys involved because the money is more and the attorneys do more of the work while you sit back. The commercial is really not that bad and it's really not that hard as a lot of people think it's hard. Okay, so I would like more women to get also into this because it's definitely a way for us to make more money and live a comfortable life while taking care of your children, because you can also do it from home. If you have more questions, please comment in the comment section below. You can also send me an email. I'll be more than glad to help you get started. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be back with more videos like this to help you, and so that we can all grow together, all make money together, all take care of our families, our children, and live a more comfortable life together. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.